Hey guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. Today we're here back on the build for the D16Z6 build. So I already got everything taken apart over here. Sorry if I'm a little wore out, I was out cutting trees earlier. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this head apart here, take all this stuff ready out, take it all out, and set it to the side. So hopefully everything should go pretty smooth, and we'll kind of go from there. So let me get myself together and we'll get some things taken care of. Hey guys, so it's actually the second day here. Actually I got tied up doing some other stuff, but I did start removing the valve springs here. I still got the other 8 to do, but I'm going to show you really how I use my tool to get it off. It's only my second time doing this, so I do have the device here, or the spring compressor tool, to be able to get that off. So let me set it up and I will show you what I'm doing. So I got my spring compressor. I'm just going to wrap these around the spring and find a slot to where it actually kind of clicks in. You can kind of see it go inside the spring. Sometimes you got to go a little higher, sometimes a little higher, or a little lower, a little higher. Line these up. I'm sure there's faster ways to do it. But again, this is the second time I've ever done valve spring replacement. And then I'll just use my ratchet and tighten it up. Then getting these out can be kind of a pain, but I do got a little pick and I got a magnet here, so I should be able to suck it off. So I'll set you up on the other side, hopefully you can see, and I'll get it out. Alright, so that's how I got that one out. Got one in here. I could just use my magnet to fish that out. These you want to keep, though I'll probably get a new set when I rebuild it anyways, but good to have. So got all these 8 out, and I'm going to spin this around and get the other 8. So I probably won't bore you with that, but pretty much the same step that I'm going to do here, I'm going to do for the rest of them. So let me get it done. Alright, so I got all the valve springs off. A little bit of a process the way I was going. But I got everything bagged up. Again, I'm probably going to replace all the internals. I'm going to get new valves, new springs, retainers, all that good stuff. But what I'm going to do next is probably flip this over, at least on its side, get these valves out, bag those up just so I have those. Maybe it's back up one day, even though I'm going to get new valves. And get this thing cleaned up. So I want to get this thing a little bit, I want to take it to the machine shop so I can have a hot tank to clean it up, and then I can start building this monster. So got everything else out, bagged up. Everything's going pretty well. So let me get this on the side, and then we'll start taking these valves out. So the valves are out, even though I'm going to replace these. I did go ahead and bag them separately and label them for the exhaust and intake valves. And then now I'll go ahead and flip it back over. Got a little bit of oil that leaked out. So I'm going to clean that up. But then I'm going to work on getting these valve seats out, these things. So bear with me. So I got some of them out. I still got plenty more to do. So it's gonna be fun. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that though. But I do think that's gonna do it for this episode. I really wanted to get this head taken care of and get this thing cleaned out, because I want to take it to the machine shop, have all the ports cleaned, get it all cleaned up, you know, have it hydro, you know, cleaned or whatever they do with it, hot tanked. And that way I can get it all clean and get a fresh slate. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all cleaned up. I'm going to get ready to take it up to the machine shop and have it cleaned up. So hopefully I'll get all this stuff taken care of, get it disassembled, and I'll be good to go. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode on the Honda D16Z6 build. While this is actually at the machine shop, I'm going to hop back on the Civic here. There's still plenty of stuff to do here. I got to get the seats done. I got to get the speaker up front fixed. There's a couple things I got to do, but stay tuned for that. But again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if there's an easier way to get these valve seals out. It is going to be a pain in the butt to get them out the way I'm doing it. But again, this is only the second motor I've ever built, so bear with me. But leave your comments, feedback, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.